problems 9 and 11 from the chapter Set Languages. Let's shoot it off.
Hi everyone. Today we are going to see 9th State Board Syllabus Set Language Exercise 1.5 Problem 9 and 11 and this is video number 15. We can see the 10th sum in the next video. Okay. Now in the 9th problem we have to verify A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay. We have to use Venn diagram to verify this. Now I am going to first find what is the right hand side, that is A difference B intersection C, then the left hand side of the theorem, and we have to prove that both are equal. Okay. Now in the left hand side I am going to first find what is B intersection C. Okay. So first I am going to draw the Venn diagram with A, B and C within the universal set. Okay. So, I am going to mark the universal set A, B and C. Now, we have to find B intersection C, isn't it? What do you mean by intersection? Yes, it is only the common elements. Okay, we should write only the common elements. Now, what is common between the B set and C set? That is a part where the two circles cross, isn't it? So, what I am shading is B intersection C. That is the common elements between B and C. Now we have to find what is A difference B intersection C. So, now I am going to draw A, B and C sets within the universal set U. Okay. Now what do we have to find? A difference B intersection C, isn't it? What do you mean by difference? Difference means first step we have to cancel the common elements. The second step we have to leave the second set completely. Okay. Now in A difference B intersection C, what is the common between A and B intersection C? This small part, isn't it? The common element between A and the B intersection C is the common small part, and we have to leave the entire B intersection C and shade the remaining part of A. Okay. We have to cancel the small part, that is the common between A and B intersection C, leave the B intersection C completely and shade the remaining set of A. Clear? Now I am going to mark this as 1. Okay. So I am shading the entire A except the B intersection C part. This is 1. Now we have to find A difference B first, then A difference C as second, then we have to find the union between the two sets. Okay. So first let us find what is A difference B. Okay. Let me draw A, B and C set within the universal set U. Okay. A, B and C. Now what we should find? A difference B. What is the meaning of difference? We should cancel the common elements and leave the second set completely and write the remaining elements of the first set. So in A and B, what are the common elements? The intersection part. Okay. Now we have to cancel the intersection part, leave the B set completely and shade the A part. Okay. I am shading the A part except the A intersection part and B. Okay. This is A difference B. Clear? Now we have to find A difference C. Okay. So I am going to draw the set A, B and C within the universal set U. Clear? A, B and C in the universal set U. Now we have to find A difference C. What is difference? We have to cancel the common elements between A and C, leave the second set C completely and shade the remaining elements of the set A. Now the intersection part between A and set are the common elements between A and C. We have to eliminate that and C set completely and shade the A part. Remaining A part. Okay. I have eliminated the A intersection C part and the C part completely and shaded the remaining A part. Clear? Now we have to find union between A difference B and A difference C. Isn't it? So I am going to draw set A, B and C within the universal set U. Now here in A difference B and A difference C, what is a common part? First, what is union? Union means all the elements in both the sets. We have to cover all the elements in both the sets. Okay? Now in A difference B and A difference C, there is some part common. Okay? First we have to shade that. What is common here? I am going to shade the common part between A and C. Okay? First let me shade the common parts. Okay? See, I am shading the common parts in A difference B and A difference C. Now, the small part is in A difference B but not in A difference C. But this is union, so we have to shade that. This small part is in A difference C but not in A difference B. But we have to shade that because this is union. So, we have found A difference B union A difference C and this is number 2. Now we have to compare 1 and 2. Okay? 1 is exactly equal to 2. Therefore, the A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Okay? So, the De Morgan law is proved here. Okay? Hence, proved. Can you all get me? Okay. Now, let's go to the 11th question. Here we have to verify A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. We have to use Venn diagram to prove this. First let us find what is the left hand side of the theorem A intersection B the whole dash, and then we have to find the right hand side of the theorem A dash union B dash, and we have to prove that both are equal. Now in order to find A intersection B the whole dash, we have to first find what is A intersection B, isn't it? So what is A intersection B? Now I have drawn A, B in the universal set U. What does mean by intersection? What is the meaning of that? Yes, intersection means common elements between two sets. Okay? Now in A and B, what is common? It is a place where both the circle intersects. Okay, now I have shaded what is A intersection B. Clear? Now we have to find what is A intersection B the whole dash, isn't it? Now I have drawn A, B inside the universal set U. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of dash. Dash means except. Dash means except. So, A intersection B the whole dash means except A intersection B the entire universal set. Okay. Now, we know what is A intersection B. So, A intersection B whole dash is except A intersection B. We have to shade the entire universal set. Clear? Do you understand me? Okay. See, I am shading the entire universal set except the A intersection B part because this is A intersection B the whole dash. Clear? Okay. Now this is A intersection B the whole dash. I am marking this as 1. Clear? Now we have to find A dash union B dash. That is the right hand side. For this first we have to find A dash. Then we have to find B dash. Then we have to find the union between A dash and B dash. First let me find what is A dash. Okay? We all can find. Okay? Now I am going to draw A and B inside the universal set U. Now what is A dash? I have already said the meaning of dash is except. So A dash means except A, the entire universal set. Okay, so I am going to shade the entire universal set leaving the A. Except A, I am going to shade the entire universal set. Clear? I am going to shade B, I am going to shade the entire universal set but not A because this is A dash. Clear? So I have left the complete A. Can you see? Can you understand me? Okay. So, except A, I am sharing the entire universal set. Now, we have to find B dash. So, I am going to draw the set A and B within the universal set U. Now, we have to find B dash. I have already said what is the meaning of dash. Dash means except. So, B dash means except B, the entire universal set. Clear? So, I am going to shade the entire universal set A except B because this is B dash. Clear? I will not touch B because we shouldn't include B in this B dash. Clear? Can you able to see? Can you able to understand? Okay. Now let us find what is A dash union B dash. Okay. Now I am going to draw A and B inside the universal set U. Okay. Now what is A dash union B dash? First, what is the meaning of union? Union means we have to include all the elements of both the set A dash and B dash. Okay. So, what is the union of A dash and B dash? First, we have some common elements between A dash and B dash. That is, I am going to shade now. I am going to shade the common elements between A dash and B dash. Now we are shading that. Okay. But this is not intersection. This is union, isn't it? So we have to include all the elements. So in A dash, this part is shaded, B part is shaded, but that is not in B dash. But we have to include it because this is union. In B dash, a part of A is shaded, but that is not found in A dash. But we have to include in this Venn diagram because this is union. Clear? So we have included all the elements of A dash and B dash in A dash union B dash. Isn't it? So I am going to mark this A dash union B dash as 2. Now we have to compare 1 and 2. Okay. Here 1 is exactly equal to 2. Isn't it? So we can prove that A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. So, this De Morgan law is also proved here. Clear? Are you able to follow me? Okay. With this, exercise 1.5, problem 9 and 11 is over. We can see the 10th problem in the next video. Okay? I have given the link of the playlist in the description box. Please make use of it. Okay? Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off. Parveena Ramesh. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like.